Does the iQunix ZX75 do enough to justify its price tag? Let's find out. Big shout out to today's video sponsor, Linsoul. Check out their fantastic deals in the links in the video description. Hey guys, I'm Ryan Thomas and a big thanks to iQunix for sending over this keyboard for review. I've had it for about 9 months now and I'm really sorry for not putting the video out sooner. I just haven't had the time. But yeah, these guys aren't seeing this video before you or giving any kind of editorial input. The ZX75 is a 75% keyboard, so it has the function buttons at the top, as well as the arrows on the additional buttons on the right side. This is a setup that works for many people who just want a smaller keyboard, but don't want to give up the full-size function buttons and the arrows, but don't mind giving up the numpad. The version we're reviewing today is the dark side model with RGB and wireless capabilities with the TTC Ace switches, but there are lots of other options and configurations that you can select on iQunix's website. This model will set you back about £180, which is a lot of money, but this is also a lot of keyboard. Gamers might be comparing this to sort of the Corsair or the Logitech products, and just let me tell you, this is a level of polish, class, fit and finish above those keyboards, those gamer specific ones. The switches are lubed, the stabs are well tuned, everything feels tight and clean, there's no rattle or flex or rough edges, and iQunix boards are a dream to type on. If you don't like your switches, you can swap them out. This thing has a hot swap PCB, so you can put whatever switches you want in there. The PBT keycaps look and feel crisp and clean in the cherry profile for those of you wondering, and they complement the smoked black plastic design. I think the whole thing looks great. It's got the aesthetic of sort of a stealthy, clean, dark mode. Absolutely love it. The volume knob on the top right is very tactile and is plug and play with both Windows and Mac, though I haven't tested Linux. You simply press to play pause and you can go back and forth on the volume. And the sound of typing on this thing is very satisfying too, so I will leave a little sounds demo in here. I tested the keyboard in both wired and wireless modes and never felt any cutouts, delay, no connectivity issues with the ZX75. The battery life is also very good in wireless mode, despite only having used it for say 2.5 weeks. I've not had to charge it just yet, which is really good going. Granted, this is with the RGB set to off and about 8 hours of use per day, so your mileage may vary. The included accessory package is incredibly comprehensive, as it usually is with any iQunix product. We're talking a hard dust cover, wireless adapters, dongles, braided cables, stickers, additional keycaps, switch pulls, the lot. You even get a little brush for cleaning in between your keys, which is mega handy to have. So as an overall product, I have to say the ZX75 ticks a lot of boxes. It's built extremely well, it looks neat, it's customizable before and after the point of purchase. It's very satisfying to type on, it lasts forever on a charge. It's worlds above Corsair, Logitech or any other gaming keyboard that I've ever used. And it's also one I can recommend to anyone looking for something like this, a high-end premium keyboard. Pretty short one today, but a big thanks to iQunix for sending their ZX75 and a big thanks to you for watching as well. I will leave all important links in the video description and I'm interested to hear your thoughts on the iQunix ZX75 in the comments section, or indeed any iQunix products that you may have owned. Hit like and subscribe if you've enjoyed today's content. I've been Ryan Thomas and I'll catch you later. Cheers.